How can we bring water from the moon? How can we help to predict natural disasters and prepare and save lives?
SSAI is an aerospace company located in Lanham, Maryland, just outside of Washington, D.C.
My parents had founded the company over 47 years ago. Today, we are working with NASA, EPA, NOAA to create an understanding of the climate and the weather in the world that we live in.
Our motto is science for the betterment of humanity.
Life before Box was disparate, so it made it hard to move data that you were gathering to help run the business. We had to modernize.
With Box Intelligent Content Management, we have been able to realize a significant amount of cost savings. Every person in the company is saving several hours a week.
Year over year, it's $500,000 in savings from going to Box. Box is game-changing.
It's replaced many of the tools that we had, consolidated those tools into one common platform.
Box is giving us the ability to look at all of our data in a way that's very searchable, flexible, and secure. We can tailor the compliance with Box so that we are compliant. NIST, FedRAMP, CMMC, and for us, that means everything.
One of the things I really enjoy about Box is the ability to have it on the go. With Box Sign, I can send a link to a vendor or customer for them to review a document and sign off on it. And it's greatly enhanced the speed of getting things done.
Box AI has saved us countless hours, being able to summarize documents, being able to ask different questions. My team can process a tremendous amount of tasks in a short amount of time.
We are able to generate reports within minutes that used to take over a day. Utilizing Box AI and Box AI Studio, we look forward to taking all of that treasure of data and allowing the next generation to show enhanced capabilities for themselves and our customers.
Box has changed the norm for how we work.
It's our tool of choice for the future.
Box enables SSAI to not only modernize, but to move forward with the goal of bettering humanity.
And I'm really excited that Box is going to be there while we go to the moon and Mars.